Welcome back to the Ultimate Trading Podcast for beginner traders. We're continuing our deep dive into the Tools and Technologies chapter with Tip 62, Charting Software. This is where the market truly comes alive for me, where raw price data transforms into a visual story that reveals opportunities, risks, and the underlying psychology of buyers and sellers. I still remember my early days grinding through screens, relying on basic broker charts that felt static and limited. It wasn't until I discovered dedicated charting software that everything clicked. Suddenly, I could layer indicators, draw precise levels, and see patterns emerge in real time. As Jack Schwager captured in Market Wizards, the best traders don't just react to price, they interpret it deeply, and superior charting tools are what make that possible. In volatile markets, where a single candle can signal reversal or continuation, having software that translates chaos into clarity isn't optional, it's your edge. Charting software is the heart of technical analysis for retail traders like us. It allows us to visualize data in candlesticks, bars, or lines across multiple timeframes, overlay indicators to gauge momentum and trend strength, draw support and resistance with precision, and set alerts for when conditions align. In 2025, with markets moving faster than ever, driven by algorithms, news spikes and global events, these tools help us cut through noise. Avoid emotional traps during drawdowns, and execute with conviction. Today, we'll focus on two standout platforms that dominate the space, TradingView and NinjaTrader. Both are exceptional, but they cater to slightly different workflows, and many experienced traders, myself included, use them in tandem for maximum insight. Let's start with TradingView. This cloud-based powerhouse has revolutionized how retail traders approach charts. Its interface is intuitive and beautiful, with highly interactive charts that respond instantly to your inputs. You can switch between dozens of chart types, from classic candlesticks to Renko or Fibonacci for smoother trend visualization. Over 100 built-in indicators are at your fingertips: moving averages, RSI for overbought/oversold levels, MACD for momentum shifts, Bollinger Bands for volatility squeezes, and you can stack multiple ones without clutter. What elevates TradingView is PineScript, now in version 6 as of late 2025, allowing you to code custom indicators or strategies with relative ease. Even as a beginner, you can modify community scripts to fit your rules, like a volatility-adjusted moving average crossover. The social community is unmatched, millions of traders sharing annotated charts, ideas, and scripts daily. I've lost count of how many setups I've refined by studying others' analyses or debating in comments. Alerts are powerful, set them for price levels, indicator crossovers, or even custom conditions, and with broker integrations, you can trade directly from the chart in some cases. Accessibility is a game changer. It's web-based with seamless sync across desktop app, mobile, and browser, so you're never disconnected. Market coverage spans stocks, Forex, crypto, futures, indices, everything. For beginners, the free tier is generous, and educational resources abound. In high-volatility scenarios, like around economic releases, TradingView's real-time data and drawing tools help spot breakouts or fakeouts quickly, preserving capital during whipsaws. Now turning to NinjaTrader, a robust, professional-grade platform particularly favored for futures and advanced analysis. It's downloadable, with a steeper learning curve, but the depth is unparalleled. Advanced charting includes customizable layouts, a vast array of indicators, and sophisticated drawing tools. NinjaScript, based on C#, enables powerful custom development for indicators or automated strategies. Standout features include order flow tools like volume profile, market depth, DOM, and footprint charts that reveal buying and selling pressure at each price level, crucial for understanding institutional activity during spikes. Backtesting is rigorous, with walk-forward optimization to test robustness against changing conditions. Trade management shines, advanced order types, ATM strategies for bracketing entries with predefined stops and targets, and simulation mode for practicing without risk. In 2025, updates like improved mobile apps with swipe gestures and refined interfaces make it more accessible, while risk tools help enforce position sizing math, like calculating exact risk based on account percentage and volatility, using ATR, for instance. It's ideal for dissecting intraday dynamics, spotting accumulation/distribution, and automating rules to remove emotion during losing streaks. To make this tangible, let me walk you through a personal case study from mid-2025, when euro to US dollar was forming a classic inverse head and shoulders pattern amid shifting monetary policy expectations. The pair had been in a downtrend through much of 2024 and early 2025, but by June, price consolidated with a left shoulder around 1.065, a head dipping to 1.05 on weak Eurozone data, and a right shoulder mirroring the left near 1.065 again. RSI showed bullish divergence, lower price lows but higher momentum lows, hinting at exhaustion in selling pressure. Fundamentals supported, the Fed paused hikes while ECB signaled potential easing, but inflation surprises favored euro strength. I first spotted this on TradingView. Its clean candlestick charts made the pattern obvious. I drew the neckline connecting the shoulders around 1.08, added Fibonacci retracements from the prior swing, and overlaid volume to confirm decreasing selling on the right shoulder. Community ideas reinforced my bias. Several top analysts posted similar setups with alerts. I set a price alert for a decisive close above the neckline and paper-traded variations to build conviction, simulating pullbacks and measuring the target. Height of the head to neckline projected upward, aiming for about 1.1 to 1.105, a solid 200 to 250 pip move. Once alerted to the breakout in July 2025, price surging on better-than-expected Eurozone PMI data, I switched to NinjaTrader for deeper validation and execution. Using volume profile, I saw heavy buying volume at the neckline support confirming institutional interest. Order flow showed aggressive bids absorbing supply. I backtested a simple strategy, enter on neckline break with stop below the right shoulder. Trailing based on ATR multiples. Risk math was precise, risking 0.75% of account, conservative during uncertainty, position sized for a 150 pip stop, targeting 1 to 2.5 reward. The trade triggered during London Open, initial momentum pushed to 1.095, then a 100 pip pullback tested my resolve as unrealized drawdown hit 80%. But NinjaTrader's tools kept me grounded, footprints showed no heavy distribution, and automated trailing locked partial profits. It resumed upward, hitting the measured objective near 1.102 for over 220 pips net after scaling out. Journaling post-trade highlighted the synergy, TradingView for pattern discovery and community validation, NinjaTrader for order flow confirmation and precise management. Without them, I'd have likely hesitated on entry or exited early during the retrace. This multi-tool approach minimized psychological pitfalls, like revenge trading after a prior loss, and turned evidence into executable edge. As we close tip 62, embrace charting software that fits your evolution. Start with TradingView's accessibility to build intuition, then layer NinjaTrader for depth as strategies mature. Tools evolve, but mastering them amplifies discipline. What's your go-to charting software right now? And how has a specific feature helped you navigate a tough trade? Share in the comments. I genuinely look forward to your insights. Disclosure: throughout this episode, I have mentioned various platforms, tools, books, and resources that I personally use or find valuable in my trading journey. I am not affiliated with any of them, nor do I receive any compensation, payment, or commission for mentioning or recommending them. These references are based solely on my own experience and are shared for educational purposes only. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
Thank you for listening to this chapter of the Ultimate Trading Guide for Beginner Traders, proudly brought to you by Bell's Forex AudioWorks. If this episode helped you even a little, please hit follow and leave a quick rating. It means the world and helps other traders find us. While the episode is still fresh, Jump over to bellsforex.com/tools. 6 professional trading tools we just released, completely free, no sign-up. Thousands of traders are already using them daily. The full written guide is waiting for you at bellsforex.com, 100% free, or on Amazon Kindle in paperback. See you in the next chapter. Trade calm, trade smart, and keep building that edge. Happy trading.